Is your engine feeling sluggish, or are you noticing a drop in fuel economy, especially when you are driving through the mountains? You might be dealing with a P222D trouble code. This code specifically points to the Barometric Pressure Sensor B high. Essentially, your car's computer, known as the EECM, relies on a perfect mix of air and fuel to run efficiently. We call this the stoichiometric mixture, which is exactly 14.7 parts air to 1 part fuel. To get this right, the computer needs to know the atmospheric pressure outside, which changes depending on your altitude. That is where the barometric air pressure, or BAP, sensor comes in. Unlike the manifold absolute pressure sensor that measures pressure inside the engine, the BAP measures the air outside. When you see the letter B in this code, it is telling you specifically which sensor is acting up, as many modern cars use multiple sensors to cross-check data. The code triggers when the electrical reading from this sensor goes too high. If you ignore this, you might experience engine misfires, a strong smell of raw fuel from the exhaust, and a noticeable lack of throttle response. The severity here is moderately high. You do not want to ignore it, because messing up that air-fuel ratio can lead to expensive internal engine damage over time. Common causes include a defective sensor, a damaged electrical connector, or even wiring issues like a short or corrosion. Sometimes, it is just loose. To troubleshoot this, you need to first locate the BAP sensor B on your specific vehicle. The location varies, so check your manual. Look for physical damage or loose connections, especially since these sensors endure a lot of engine vibration and heat. If the connector looks good, you will need a multimeter to check the voltage against the manufacturer's specifications. If the readings are out of range, replace the sensor. If you are not comfortable working with vehicle electronics, this is the time to take it to a professional, because accurate atmospheric pressure readings are critical for your fuel management system. Catching this early can save your catalytic converter and your engine valves. Thanks for watching, and keep that engine running smooth.